Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making Southern style kale greens. This is a very easy recipe. We're going to put everything in this pot and then we're just going to simmer it on medium to medium low. Okay, so let's get this open and put this in this pot. Okay, these are washed, so you don't have to wash these again. Just put all these in the pot. See, thoroughly washed. So you can just put these in. And I have some more here that I had in the freezer, so I'm going to put these in too. Okay, so now we're going to put some onions in, about a small onion. So that's about a cup of onion. That's about a small onion. You can add more or less of this if you like. I also have some green peppers with a little bit of yellow peppers in there. They're already frozen. I cut them up beforehand and I just keep them in my freezer for whenever I'm ready to use them. That's about a half a cup in there. Okay, let's stir this up a bit. And then we're going to add some garlic powder, some chicken broth, and a ham bone. Here's some garlic powder. About a teaspoon should be good enough. Next, I'm going to add some chicken broth. And I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. That was 2 cups. And here's another 2 cups of chicken broth. Just pour all that in there. Then after that, I'm going to add 1 ham bone. Some of this is frozen, so this will make some more liquid. So now you just put this on the stove, put a lid on it, put this on the stove, and cook this for about an hour. After we're done cooking it, we're going to test it for seasoning. Okay, that is it. So let's put this on the stove on about medium. Then if it's cooking too fast for you, you could turn it down to medium low, but medium to medium low. Okay, and here are our greens. We let this cook for about an hour. This is what they look like after about an hour. They cook down a lot. This ham bone is from a spiral sliced ham. We ate, of course, all the ham around it, and I just took the bone and put it in the freezer and saved it for something like this. You can use this ham bone for greens, for beans, anything. And this tastes great. We don't need any more salt or anything. This is seasoned perfectly. This is done. You can eat this now, but I'm just going to put it on the stove and let it cook for a few more minutes, maybe 15 or so minutes, just to reduce some of the liquid a little bit, but you don't have to. This is perfectly done right now. Okay, now here are our greens. I let these cook for about another 20 minutes just to cook the juice down some. Like I said, they were ready before, but I just let these cook a little bit longer. And this is done. So now we're going to plate this up. Okay, here are our greens. They're done and they are delicious. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for future videos. And remember to have fun cooking.